Hey guys, it's Sterling W. I just got myself a full spectrum plant grow lamp, which is really cool. Basically, this is a 15 to 63 inch tripod, and on top of that, it has four grow lamps that are LEDs, which is really cool. It's there's several dimmable modes on this thing. It has a timer and everything else like that. We will do a full unboxing as well as a quick review. Again, I'm gonna start growing things with this, indoors. And what I need to do is basically do a full review later in about like 3 weeks when I start growing stuff and have a follow-up review. But the good thing about this is that it's USB powered, that's what I really wanted because I could power this with normal USB adapters, which I have plenty of. And let's go right into the unboxing. So it's an LED grow lamp, and it has a tripod. It comes in a really small compact package. It basically has red and blue spectrum LEDs. It has a remote as well as other stuff, and basically it has a normal USB power supply, which is cool. There's a user manual, but it's pretty straightforward. It's actually, there it is. If you want to pause the video and take a look at this, that's really about it. It has 4 heads, and it also has a inline wire control as well as a remote IR control as well, and it always has batteries in it already. The instructions are pretty straightforward. It basically has a timer for 4 hours, 8 hours, and 12 hours, and it cycles through the different types of red and blue lights, so to create that full spectrum. Now, of course, there's about 10 levels of intensity for the LED lights, which is nice. There's different lightings of it. As you can see, the remote's actually very similar, and it just cycles through. We're powering off, power on. Of course, there's red lights for germination, blue lights for having growth, as well as red and blue is for fruiting. So it's basically those 3 type of lights. And again, there are about 10 levels of brightness for this thing. So pretty cool. And then as you can see, it cycles through the different hours of the timer. Anyways, guys, it's Sterling W. I hope this quick unboxing and review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.